Okay, very good morning to all of you. Today we will going to see problem number 14. Problem number 14 is here in front of us. Following is the summary balance sheet of Uttam Limited as on 31st March 2021. On the liability side, we have share capital issued, subscribed and paid up 6,500, 7% redeemable preference share of rupees 10 each, fully paid up 65,000. 22,500 ordinary shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid up 2,25,000. Under reserves and surpluses, we have security premium 10,000, profit and loss account 46,000, current liability. Under that, we have creditors 47,500. On the asset side, we have only two items: fixed asset 3,46,000 and bank balance 47,500. The company decided to redeem its preference share at a premium of 7.5% on 1st April 2021. In order to facilitate the redemption of preference share, it was decided, number one, to finance part of redemption from company's fund subject to leave a balance in profit and loss account rupees 10,000. So what they're saying, you can use company's fund. We have company's fund which can be utilized for a purpose of redemption is only profit and loss account. There we have 46,000. They are saying you can utilize that 46,000, but condition is that you have to leave 10,000 from that 46,000. So 36,000 rupees is available for a purpose of redemption as a part of profit. Point number two says the issue sufficient number of ordinary shares at par. We have to issue at par. Okay. In order to raise balance fund required for the purpose of redemption. The issue of ordinary shares was fully subscribed. Pass necessary journal entry in the books of Uttam Limited to record the above transaction. Prepare balance sheet of Uttam Limited after redemption is carried out in revised schedule 3 format. Okay, if you are making balance sheet for 2 years, it is called as revised schedule 6. Now we are only making for 1 year, so it is called as revised schedule 3. It was there in October 2013 university examination of IDOL. So let's move to the solution. Okay. First of all, we will try to find out how much equity share we will going to issue for a purpose of redemption of preference share. First of all, let's see in profit and loss account, we have a balance of 46,000. Okay. And we have to keep a balance less. Okay. Amount kept aside. This amount is kept aside, might be there are certain use of it. Okay, so only 36,000 is available. So 46 minus 10,000, it comes to 36,000. And how much number of equity shares we require? We have total 65,000 rupees preference share which we want to redeem. Okay, so out of 65,000, we already made an arrangement of 36,000 out of profit. Now we require to issue 29,000 rupees equity share in the market at par. So total amount required for redemption is 65,000. So my first entry, which will be on 1st April 2020, will be issue
Issue
of
of share.
shares at par. So bank account debited to equity share capital account. Amount is 29,000 because I'm issuing at par. So my narration will be being 2,900 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at par. Okay. My second entry will be, immediate entry will be transfer of claim. Okay, at premium. Premium is 7.5%. So my entry will be 7% 7% redeemable preference share capital account debited premium on redemption of preference share capital account debited to which account? To holders account. To 7% redeemable preference share holders account. Okay, narration will be being claim transferred at 7.5% premium. Okay, let's see the amount. 65,000 rupees was the amount for preference shares, and we will go to redeem at 7.5% premium. So it comes to 4,875. So my total claim is 65,000 plus premium. It comes 69,875. Okay. After transfer at premium, immediately we will going to provide a premium for purpose of redemption, and for premium we have sufficient balance in profit and loss account because we kept 10,000 rupees aside. Okay, and out of that 10,000 rupees we will going to make a arrangement of our premium. So to premium on redemption of preference share capital account. Okay, here I will write being premium provided for redemption. Okay, amount is how much? 4,875. 4,875. Okay, now my next entry will be creation of CRR. So CRR will be created out of profit and loss because we only have profit and loss with us. To capital redemption reserve account. Amount is 36,000. So 36,000 we got out of divisible profit and 20,000 we got from fresh shares. So 36,000 out of profit and 29,000 out of capital. So here we will write being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Okay. And after that, I have only last entry. Last entry is
Claim
of
settlement.
very good claim settlement. For that purpose, we have an entry like 7% redeemable preference share holders account debited to bank.
To bank account.
Yes. Holders account debited to bank account. Okay. Narration will be being claim settled at premium. Okay. Amount is 69,875, and that same amount will be on the credit side. So this is how we have passed total 6 entry for redemption of preference share, not 5 entry, I think. Okay. Okay, total 5 entry for redemption of preference share. But now we also have to make a balance sheet. So look at your balance sheet. This is a balance sheet in front of us. And every time we make a note only for share capital, reserves and surpluses, and cash equivalent. These are the three important accounts which always have an adjustment. इसके अलावा अगर और कोई adjustment है तो for that also we will going to make a note. But most of the time we only make note for only these three items. So let's see. 22,500 equity shares we were already having. That was having a total value of 2,25,000. Okay, and then we have issued 29,000 equity share during the process of redemption. So total we have 2,54,000 capital with us, share capital with us. Now, as profit and loss is concerned, in profit and loss, we in the starting balance sheet, we have a 46,000 rupees as, just a moment. Yeah. Now coming to reserves and surpluses. In reserves and surpluses, we have profit and loss, opening balance 46,000. During the process, we have transferred around 36,000 to CRR account and 4,875 for providing premium for redemption of preference shares. So total we have 5,125. We also have a security premium balance of 10,000 with us, which was given in the balance sheet itself. Let's have a look. Okay, 10,000 here. And now we have created a CRR account. So CRR account, we have 36,000. So total we have a reserve surpluses of 51,125. 51,125. So total shareholders fund we have 3,05,125. Okay. As current liability is considered, we don't have any current, so non-current liability which was given in our balance sheet. So we have put a dash. Okay. Under current liability, we only have trade payables, and the amount of trade payables is 47,500. 47,500. So we got a total of liability side as 3,52,625. Now coming to asset side, under assets, we have only two items: fixed asset and bank balance. Fixed asset of 3,46,000. 3,46,000. For single entry, we don't require to make any notes. Yes, we will going to make a notes for cash and cash equivalent. There we made a note number 3. Okay, in note number 3, we have a bank balance, opening bank balance 47,500. Add equity share issued during the process 29,000. Sorry. So we have total of 76,500, and the amount which we paid to preference shareholders is 69,875. So we have a balance of 665. 6,625. So here our balance sheet got tally. So this is what a balance sheet in front of us. Okay, we made only 3 notes for it. Now let's see next problem. I hope this problem is clear to all of you. This problem was simple problem. Only thing is that they have told us to keep a 10,000 rupees aside. That was the only thing. Now coming to problem number 15. In problem number 15, the again problem is very simple. Only we have a 2 additional entries here, that is issue of a bonus shares. Now let's see problem number 15. Following the balance sheet of Measures Kunal Limited as on 31st March 2021. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2021. On the liability side, we have 50,000 10% redeemable preference share of rupees 100 each, 5 lakh rupees. 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. We have 12 lakh rupees. General reserve 2 lakh rupees. Profit and loss account 1,50,000. 11% debentures 4 lakh rupees, creditors 2 lakh rupees. On the asset side, we have fixed investment, fixed asset, okay, investment, other current asset, and bank balance. On the above date, company decided to redeem 10% preference shares at a premium of 10%. At a premium of 10%. The company decided to issue such a number of equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10. So they want to issue equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10 rupee, but after utilizing the available resources to the maximum possible extent for redemption as per the provision of the Companies Act 2013. Provision of Companies Act 2013 says premium on redemption of preference share is also be arranged from divisible profit. So whatever divisible profit we have, such as general reserve and profit and loss account, from this we have to make an arrangement of premium amount, and then whatever amount which is left out will be utilized for a purpose of redemption of preference shares. The payment were made to the preference shareholders except holder of rupees 200 preference shares who could not be traceable. So this is not a new entry for you. Everybody knows about it. What kind of a treatment should be given to this thing? Okay. So जो 200 preference shareholders है उनके पैसे हम अपने पास रख लेंगे under a balance sheet. We will show under a balance sheet as a contingent liability in untraceable preference shares, and the rest of the amount we will pay to the shareholders. Further, company decided to issue one fully paid bonus shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10% against 5 shares held. Okay, 1 share against 5 shares held, except fresh issue. So they are saying don't consider fresh issue. जितने पुराने लोग हैं उन्हीं को दो bonus. You are required to pass journal entries in the books of Kunal Limited. Prepare a balance sheet of Kunal Limited after redemption. So let's move to balance sheet first. Sorry, journal entry first. So here we have a problem number 15 with us. First of all, we will going to see how much amount of equity share we will going to issue. We have journal reserve of rupees 2 lakh rupees and profit and loss account 1,50,000. Profit and loss. Okay. So total amount we have how much? Total we have 3,50,000. 3,50,000. And out of this 3,50,000, we have to provide a premium also. Premium on redemption. How much? 10% of 5 lakh rupees, which comes to 50,000. So amount which is available for creation of CRR is how much? 3 lakh
rupees.
Okay. Minus 50,000. So this amount is available for creation of CRR. Okay. And how much amount we require? We require 5 lakh rupees. So balance amount will be arranged by issue of equity shares, okay, of rupees 2 lakh at a premium of 10%. At a premium of 10%. And the face value of share is 10 rupees each. So how much? 20,000 equity share we will going to use. So total fund required, total amount required for redemption is 5 lakh rupees. So 3 lakh we got out of profit and 2 lakh rupees out of capital. So my first entry will be issue of equity shares. But before that, they are saying company sold investment at book value. So first of all, we will going to pass an entry of sale of investment. Okay, and the date on the above date, company decided. Okay, decided only. So we don't have a date. So we will write first entry will be Just a moment. So first entry will be bank account debited to investment. Account. My entry will be being investment sold at par. Okay, amount is 4 lakh rupees if I'm not wrong. 4 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees. And thereafter, in second entry, we will issue a equity share. So bank account debited to equity share capital account to security premium account Narration will be being 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at 10% premium. Okay. And how much the amount? Amount will be 2 lakh rupees.
2,20,000.
Yes, and 20,000 for premium. So total amount we will get from equity share is 2,20,000. Now thereafter, we will transfer the claim from capital account to holders account. So 10% redeemable preference share capital account debited premium on redemption of preference share capital account debited to 10% redeemable preference share holders account. Here we will write being claim transferred at 10% premium, and the amount is 5 lakh rupees for preference share, 50,000 we are paying 10% premium, so total we are going to pay 5,50,000. Okay, now we will going to provide a premium in entry number 4. So for providing premium, we have general reserve as in profit and loss account. So whatever you want, you can take it. So let's take it general reserve. General reserve account debited to premium on redemption of preference share capital account, being premium provided for redemption. Okay, amount is 50,000. Now in entry number 5, we will going to provide what, or we will create what?
CRR.
CRR. Very good. So for creating CRR, we will going to write General reserve account debited, profit and loss account debited to capital redemption reserve account. Okay, and we have to add one more thing. Being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Okay, let's see. 1,50,000 from general reserve, 1,50,000 for profit and loss account. So total we have 3 lakh rupees with us. And now what we will going to do? We will go to
Claim
pass,
settlement.
yes, entry for settlement. So settlement entries, everybody knows about it. 10% redeemable preference shareholders account debited to bank account. Okay, so here I will write being claim settled at 10% premium except 200 preference shares. Okay, now let's see how much we have to pay. Untraceable claim, total claim is 5,50,000. 5,50,000. Oh, 5,50,000. Okay, less untraceable here we will write 200 multiplied by 110 because 100 rupees was the face value and 10 rupees premium we are paying to them, so it will come to how much? 200 multiplied by 110, it comes around 22,000. So the amount which I will go to pay is 5,28,000. So here I will write 5,28,000. This point is clear with everyone. Now we will go to,
Yes, sir.
now we will go to pass entry number 7 for issue of bonus shares. So we have an entry like capital redemption reserve account debited to bonus to equity share holders account. So entry is capital redemption reserve account debited to bonus to equity shareholders account. Here we will write being bonus declared. Okay, here company has declared bonus, and how much bonus they will going to give? Look at here. They are saying ratio is 1:5. Okay, 1:5 ratio we have. That means every 5 share will get 1 bonus share. So total number of shares we have, equity shares, look at here, 1,20,000. So I will write bonus shares equals to 1,20,000, ठीक है, divide by 5. So let me put formula here. So I got 24,000 number of equity shares I will going to issue. Okay, and I'm going to issue this 24,000 at 10% premium. So let's see total amount required, ठीक है, for issue of bonus shares equals to, let me first of all write down, then we will apply a formula. 24,000 multiply by 11. Why 11? Let's see, the face value is 10 rupees and 1% premium. 10% premium is 1 rupee is a premium amount. So it comes to 11. So which comes equals to, here I will write equals to 24,000 multiply by 11. So total amount 264. 2,64,000 rupees I will going to utilize. So here I will write 2,64,000. 2,64,000. So out of capital redemption reserve, I have taken out 2,64,000, and which amount I will going to utilize for issuing a bonus shares. So my 8 number entry will be issue of bonus shares. Now here I have declared the bonus. Okay. So my entry will be bonus to equity share holders account debited to equity share capital account to securities premium account. What they're saying कि आपने जो 2,64,000 रुपए CRR से निकाले, उसमें से आप 2,40,000 रुपए किसको दे दो, इक्विटी शेयर अकाउंट में, और बाकी के जो आपको 24,000 रुपीज है वो कहाँ दे दो, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम में. सो इट इज जस्ट अ एंट्री. Okay, actually there is no giving or taking any amount from anybody. It is just a capitalization of your reserves and surpluses into capital. Okay, so here it will become 2,64,000. So your 2,64,000 got cancelled. So your direct entry will be capital redemption reserve account debited to equity share capital account 2,40,000 to security premium 24,000. Here I will write being 24,000 bonus shares issued at 10% premium. Okay, I hope your point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear with everyone? Now let move to balance sheet. Still we have 5 minutes in our hand, so we can try to make a balance sheet. Look at here, we already have 1,20,000 equity share of rupees 10 each, which comes around 12 lakh rupees. Okay, and during the process we have issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. That will 2 lakh rupees. So total we have 14 lakh rupees. So we will going to write here 14 lakh rupees. Okay, Thereafter, coming to reserves and surpluses. So we have general reserve with us. General reserve, how much it was? 2 lakh rupees. और उसमें से हमने क्या किया था? We have less premium on redemption of preference shares. ठीक है? So that was 50,000 and balance amount less transfer to CRR account. ठीक है? That was 1,50,000. So in the outer column, we got zero balance in general reserve. Similarly, coming to profit and loss account, profit and loss account, we used to have 1,50,000 balance and we have transferred money to CRR. So here again we have a zero balance. Now we have securities premium. Security premiums I will going to write in a bracket. Okay. So I got 20,000 from issue of equity shares plus 24,000 for issue of bonus shares. So it was total 44,000. Look at here. Apart from that, we don't have any security premium in the account. So we got security premium twice, one from issue of equity shares and second time by issue of a bonus shares. Then we have a capital redemption reserve. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास बैलेंस था 3 लाख रुपीस minus 2,64,000 we shifted to equity. Okay, जिसमें 2,40,000 का इक्विटी इशू किया, 24,000 का प्रीमियम दे दिया हमने. So here balance is how much? 36,000. So we have total 80,000 with us in reserves and surpluses. So here I will write 80,000. Okay. Coming to debentures, here we have 11% debentures. So here I will write 11% debentures of rupees. How much it is? 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh rupees. So here it will also come 4 lakh rupees. Then we have trade payables of rupees 2 lakh rupees. और हमारा untraceable preference share कितना था बेटा? 22,000 which we calculated. So total we have 21,02,000 total of liability side. Now coming to assets. Here we have a only fixed asset. Investment we sold. Investment we have already sold. So fixed asset is of rupees 13 lakh. 13 lakh. Other current assets we have how much? 4,50,000. Now we have cash or cash equivalent. For that we will going to write down. We have an opening bank balance. Opening bank balance rupees 5 lakh. Add investment sold. Okay, there we got how much? 4 lakh rupees. Then add issue of equity shares How much you got? 2,20,000. So total we got 6,40,000. Okay. Now my available amount with me is 11,40,000. Okay. Then I will write less amount paid to preference share holders. ठीक है. How much it was? देखेंगे एक बार जरा यहाँ पर. How much we paid? 5,28,000. Sorry, 5,28,000. So here we will add 5,28,000. So
Sir, the total will be 6,20,000, 4 lakh plus 2,20,000.
okay, yeah. 2,20,000. So here it will be 5 lakh plus this particular amount. Okay. So ultimately we got a balance of rupees 5,92,000. So there is a difference. Why there is a difference? 13 lakh. We have also issue a bonus, na? So we have not added bonus. So let add bonus here. So here we will add 24,000 bonus shares. So that will be 2,40,000. So here it will be this amount plus this amount plus this 16,40,000. So 16,40,000. 2343, 2343. So our balance sheet got tally. So clear with everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.